Hi everybody and welcome back to Proximity. I already broke something. Hi everybody and welcome back to Proximity.fun. My name is Tristan, trying something a little bit different. We got ourselves a camera that actually works and doesn't look like crap. So hopefully the audio is good. Today I wanted to rant a little bit because I saw something online last night and it made me mad. You can believe that. Really, it wasn't the guy's fault. It's just really more of a question of a lack of, I guess we can call it exposure to the entire proximity marketing community. And basically what I read, and again, I'm not calling anybody mean names, but there was somebody who was talking about proximity marketing, and they said something along the lines of, have you heard of proximity marketing beacons, also known as royalty gems or Asirvia Go things, or something like that? And kind of got on my nerves because obviously proximity marketing is much, much bigger than those two companies. And honestly, the thing that kind of bugs me the most about companies like that, specifically those two, is just that they have such a horrible focus on building the MLM aspect of their business. I mean, it's like when you listen to these guys talk, and there's some good folks on YouTube, I'm not calling anybody mean names, I'm not calling anybody out, but it's like, look at this really, really cool technology. We can do all these different things with it. We can do all these really amazing, marketing campaigns. We can do all this other neat stuff. So you should definitely sign up, and then you should take this to all your friends and get them to sign up. And it's like, you're missing the point, Yeah, you got the MLM stuff, and yeah, you're right, it does have all this really interesting potential. But if you're teaching people how to sign other people up for the platform, instead of actually going out and providing the service for a customer and helping the customer make money, then what good does it do, And I think that the worst part is that because these two companies are the biggest names, in the proximity marketing world, even bigger than my own, it kind of leaves a bit of a bad taste in a lot of clients' mouths when we try to go in and we try to present them proximity marketing, or when we try to talk to them about Bluetooth beacons or NFC or any of these other really cool things that we can do. Like, there's more of the Asirvia crap. I don't want to go and sell this to my friends. I want something that will work and help me make more money in my business. It's like, well, that's what we're trying to do, but there's there's this other huge group of people, and their only focus is getting you excited about the technology, getting you fired up about it, then having to go and sell it to other people. And so that's really the goal behind this channel, and the goal behind the tutorials and the stuff that I do, is that I want you guys to know how to take the technology, how you can take these tools and generate money for your customers, generate money for yourselves. I want you guys to make money off of this. And then when the customer's making money, and then somebody else comes and say, yes, somebody was talking to me about proximity marketing the other day. Oh, that's really cool. We're making all this money. These guys are doing all this other cool stuff. My email list has exploded. That's the response that we want. We don't want, oh yeah, I just checked that out and they wanted me to go and share it on my Facebook and this MLM and pyramid scheme crap. It hurts the industry overall. And honestly, I think that in proximity marketing, we really have three big hurdles that we need to overcome. Number one is the iPhone and Apple in general. Number two is Google and all the funny things that they do. And number three is that everybody who sees us and talks to us thinks that we're trying to get them to sign up for this pyramid scheme or trying to get them to sign up for this MLM instead of providing a service that will generate revenue for their bottom line. But that's just my rant, that's just my opinion, and I can be totally wrong as well. I'm not exactly welcome in those circles, and I don't know why, but I am curious to see what you guys think, especially if you guys have worked with Asirvia, if you have worked with Royalty, or any of these other more MLM structured type beacon businesses. What kind of training are they giving you guys? What kind of information are they giving you guys? How are they helping you to go out and make more money for your customers so that they become more enamored with proximity marketing? I'm curious to hear what you guys think. And again, like I said, I could be totally wrong on this. And if that's the case, I'll delete this video. But, like I said, I'm curious. So share with me what you think in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully it'll be a little bit cheerier. Oh yeah, we're actually going to be talking about how to get notifications to show up on the lock screen. See you then.